let's break down the real cost of pro photography here in India.
I mean, why is one quote so low and the next is sky high? It's confusing, right?
The difference is just massive. So let's break down exactly what you're paying for.
It's not just random numbers. The price really comes down to 4 key things.
First up, and probably the biggest factor, is the photographer's own experience.
A beginner is learning the ropes. A premium pro, they bring years of proven expertise.
Next, where the shoot actually happens plays a huge role in the final cost.
A shoot in a big city like Mumbai could cost you 30 to 50% more.
The third factor is post-production. This is a big one that people often underestimate. All that detailed retouching and color work takes a ton of time and serious skill.
And finally, you've got the equipment. The gear really does make a difference.
Pro-level cameras, lights, and drones, they all add up to a better final image.
Okay, so let's look at some actual price ranges for popular services.
Here's a quick glance at what you might pay for headshots, products, or events. Just look at product photography. The jump from entry-level to premium is dramatic.
So, how do you actually choose the right photographer for your budget and needs?
You'll want to focus on these 3 things to make sure you get exactly what you expect. And this really says it all. You should think of it as an investment, not just a cost.
For a custom quote that's tailored to your goals, you can always reach out to Viski Studios.
By next need shoot man.